Guess what, guys? It is Stitch Fix time. I am excited to open up another Stitch Fix. I think I might have asked for jumpsuits because I'm going through a jumpsuit phase, or I asked for shorts, or both. I can't quite remember. So I'm excited to see what's in here, and why, yes, I am wearing the jumpsuit that I got in my last fix. And yes, I am obsessed with it. Thank you for asking. So I'm excited to dig. Let's get right into this. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, they are a styling service. They send you 5 items based off your style survey and special requests. And there's a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase. And you have 3 days, but I always extend it out as far as I can because I just move slowly and don't get to this as quickly as I would like. And I think that's the main gist. Oh, if you use my referral link below, you will get $25 off your first box. So yay, plus I would get $25. Okay, here's the things. I see some white denim something. I see a lot of denim. All right, let's just dig into it. Starting at the top, we have by Kaylee this 3/4 sleeve, tie sleeve here, and it is a striped shirt, which I always love striped shirts, but I actually already have a shirt almost exactly like this. It's just the sleeves maybe a couple inches shorter, but so this probably will not end up staying, but that's because I already have one. So that means I like it. Next up, this is sweater-y, but this is a nice one. This is by Letty and Me. It's a brown cardigan, which I love to wear cardigans of this color. It's a thinner one, and what I really like about this is just kind of the detail on it. It just feels really nice. It feels fancy. So I really like this. I'm not sure, I'm a little surprised to get something like this in a springy type box, but nevertheless, that doesn't mean I won't keep. Is this a jumpsuit? This might be a jumpsuit, yeah. Or a dress, we'll see. Okay, I think this is a jumpsuit. So it's this blue jumpsuit. It's got this keyhole front here, and it's got wide legs to it with actually slits on the bottom. So we'll see. I feel like this is going to be a mile too long, but maybe it's cropped. It just looks super long, but I like it. Next up, we have shorts. This is by Cosmic Blue Love. They feel nice and stretchy. It's an interesting wash, kind of a little bit of an acid wash look to it. Does have a sewed in rolled hem here, and I like them. They do look a little short, so we'll see if it's too short once we get them on, but I like it. Last but not least, these appear to be a pair of white denim, which I really do not need. These are 1822 is the brand. These are called butter denim, ankle skinny. So I love them. I mean, they look great. What I love about these is I feel like this is going to be a good fit for me, is this thicker waistband with the double buttons here. That usually means maybe it's a better fit for a curvy girl, you know, to where it's a little tighter around my waist. So hopefully these will be a great fit, but I don't know. I shouldn't say hopefully because I don't need them, but they look really awesome. Okay, really happy with these pieces, and I'm excited to try them on, so let's get to it. So while I am loving jumpsuits right now, I think this is just not one that I love. Now, it's definitely way too long here, as you can see, so I would have to get it hemmed up. Even a high heel wouldn't, you know, quite get me there. Also don't know if I'm a big fan of the slit in the legs. I mean, it's definitely unique. I just don't think I'm a huge fan of it. Now, it's a great fit around this section here, which can be kind of a pulling area for me. And even the bodice is a pretty good fit. What I don't love is these arm slits go all the way down to here. So that's just like pure brassiere right there. So why did they do that? Why did they just give it normal armholes? And then it even like, it pulls here. So like you lift your arms up and it's pulling right here. So it's just kind of, it's a little weird what's happening up here. So I like it, but obviously it's not perfect. It's not gonna be a winner for me, and they should have put pockets in it because I desperately wanna go like this. Okay, next outfit. Okay, next up we have, oh, these are not real pockets up here. These are not real pockets. Okay, the pants and the striped shirt. So the pants are just okay, and I think this is like a more affordable brand. So for what probably is going to be the price, I feel like they were definitely worth it. But considering I don't need these, they were going to have to be like earth-shattering for me to keep. So first of all, they're not a high-rise, so I don't love that. I had high hopes for this waistband that it was going to be like high and snug and it was going to be like this. But it's okay. I mean, it's not gapping, but it just feels like a lower rise than I am interested in. Good length though, great length, no complaints there. The top is super cute. I like it a lot. A boat neck up here and then the ties on it. So this would definitely be a keeper if I didn't kind of already have this, a very similar shirt to this one, but I like it. This is very me. Okay, last outfit. Okay, so last up we have the shorts and the cardigan. The cardigan I really like. It feels like a very nice, lightweight cardigan, and I would definitely, it's nice to have like a brown cardigan that's not like super casual. It's got like a dressy aspect to it. So I really like it. Probably have to roll up the sleeves, but it fits really great, and I think it's very cute. So it is on the back, so you can see the detail there. Hopefully you can see that and I wasn't cut off. So I really like it. Now, the shorts are a good fit. They feel really good here. There isn't gapping up here. Again, I wish it was a little bit of a higher rise. I just think, as has been my issue today with my various try-ons, I think it's just a little bit shorter than I like. There's no booty hanging out or anything like that, but I just wish it was probably a hair longer, and these are sewn in. But they have a good stretch to them, a good feel to them, and I don't know, I like them. I like the wash. I feel like the wash is unique, and I don't have anything that's that color. I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence with these, so I'm gonna let price dictate that. So, okay, here's my shorts, cardigan. Let's go over prices. All right, friends, let's see what we've got here. Starting at the top of my list here, we have the by 1822, the Kaya double button skinny jean, $39. Now, if I didn't have a multitude of white jeans already, I would definitely keep these. I was happy enough with them. I would keep them, but since I don't need them and they weren't like the best pants I've ever worn, then I will not keep them. So, then we have by Letty and Me, the ABL rib knit cardigan in $44. I looked at it in the mirror and I felt like it wasn't as great as a fit as I thought. I feel like this one is supposed to be like a slimmer, good fitting cardigan, not like loose or oversized, and I just felt like there was extra room in there that I didn't necessarily want or need, so I don't think I'm going to keep that. Then we have by Callie, this is the Patricia tie sleeve knit top, $38. I, again, would have kept this if I don't already have that shirt. Well, very similar shirt to that. Then we have by Cosmic Blue Love, this is a Jody distressed short in $58. Now, this one I'm thinking about keeping. I looked in the mirror and I started to like it more and more, and it felt good, so I'm thinking about it. I might look through my jean shorts and see what I have and see if I need those or not, but I'm highly thinking about it. Then we have by Wisp the Ion tie detail jumpsuit in $78. So just wasn't a great fit. I didn't like what was happening in the armpit sleeve area. So I'm glad they sent me jumpsuits. I hope they keep sending them to me, but that one was just not perfect. So the total for the entire box is $257. If you buy all, you get $64.25 off, and that gives you a total of $192.75. So, what am I keeping? I don't really know. There's some good priced pieces here, things that I like, and I'm thinking about keeping the shorts. So again, we'll see if I need it. If not, I'm just gonna send everything back. I do have a promo credit, so thank you to whoever used my link. Greatly appreciated. If you guys are interested in trying, I do have a link for $25 off. And thank you guys so much for watching. What do you guys think I should keep? Most likely I will get this posted before I send back, so I'd love to get opinions. It was all these pieces were me, but I think my struggle with today was just there was nothing that I was just like super excited about. So most likely the whole box will go back, and I'm not disappointed or anything about that. I just think there was nothing that was like, I must keep this. So, okay, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please do so below. That would be greatly appreciated, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.